People might think that archaeologists just dig a lot of holes, but archaeology is one big adventure. We travel all over the world and uncover some of the biggest mysteries. As a digital archaeologist, I'm using cutting-edge technology to answer fascinating questions about the past. I get to enjoy the sights, sounds, smells, and flavors of unique and various cultural experiences. I went to the Philippines and directly dated the first rock art in Southeast Asia. I flew drones over the World Heritage Site of Nan Madol. In the Northern Territory, I trained indigenous artists to record their rock art with 3D tech. There are still so many stories to tell and secrets to unveil. One of my career highlights is developing a new technique for enhancing engraved rock art. I took a 3D model and I applied an algorithm that exaggerates the difference in elevation. This has helped us see a lot of new rock art that was thought lost. My hope is that we can use archaeology to preserve rock art for everyone to enjoy, enriching and healing the relationship between peoples and cultures and strengthening the bond as we move forward.